Despite the website, the park was closed and could be used only on foot, on your own risk. We parked at the gate and tried to reach the two landmark bridges over the creek. Wow, such a terrible sight. The winter storm's erosion wiped out completely the beach and the adjacent paved road. This road segment is no longer accessible by car. This bridge over the Busey Creek is also gone, but probably for some time. The footbridge at the Two Creeks camp is still here, but definitely it is in desperate need for repairs. Well, that's pretty much all. The rest is just camping sites. It is time to go back.
This is what is called the Carolinian forest, full of insects.
One more stop on the deck at the Sugar Creek, and it's time to take the highway for the 333 kilometers or 205 miles back home.